Alright, welcome to this video tutorial, and in this video tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to create a QR code with just your smartphone. You saw this QR code that some brands and establishments, some organizations, they will just paste their QR code and tell you to scan it, and it will take you to their website or their payment page or anything like that. I'm going to show you how to do it with your smartphone. Are you ready? Yeah, let's do it together. So the first thing we are going to do now is to come to our Google Chrome, just any web browser, to Opera Mini, Phoenix browser, anyone. So you come there, you come to your search button, to your search menu, you search for QR this is the website, QR-generator.ai/QR-codes. So this is the website, just click on it. So once you click on it, the first is how it is. I've already generated this, where you can see this this QR code here. Yeah, once you scan this QR code, it will take you to the form. Most of you that register for this phone to productivity series, most of you that fill the form. So once you scan this code, it will take you to the Google form that you filled. So that's how I did it. So now once you just come here, you just click on create QR code. So once you click on create QR code, allow it to load. So there are different type of QR code. It could be the one that will lead to a website, for a PDF, list of links, vCard, business, that is to share information about your business, video, and lots of them. So you click on website. That's what we want to do now. So after clicking on website, next thing you do is this, let's say QR website URL. You put in the website URL. So this is it. I have it already. So next thing you do is name of the QR code. Name of the QR code, you just name it something. Let's name it phone to productivity series. So that's it. Click on good. So the next thing here now, okay, after that, next thing you're going to do now is to design the QR. So how do you want it to look like? What do you want it to be like? So you come to frame. So there are different styles here. So we have the frame 1, frame 2, frame 3, and the rest of them. So which style do you want? So you're going to go for the first one. Go for the first one. After we are done, what do you want to register? Like, what do you want to be the text? Rather, what do you want to be the text that will accompany it? Do you want to register here, or scan here, or anything? Just type it there. So once you type it there, then you now choose your frame color. We want it to be black, so we'll leave it as black. If you want it to be a gradient color, you click on this linear, you select the type of gradient, linear gradient or radial gradient. So for now, we'll not make use of this, just make it black. Then transparent, do you want the frame background color to be transparent? Yes, I want mine to be transparent. So if you don't want yours to be transparent, you can select a color, but for me, I want it to be transparent. So we'll just click on this. Then the next thing we'll do is QR code pattern. Come to QR code pattern. So which style how do you want it to be? There are different styles here. You have this one. We have lots of them. So how do you want it to be? We're going to go for the first one. I don't want it to be black and white, or do you want it to have a gradient color? You have a different color. For now, I just want it to be on black and white. You understand? So the color code for black is 00000, and that's the color code for black. The white color code for white is hash FFFFFF. So that's the color code for white, and 000 hash 00000 is the color code for white. Hope you understand. So that's it. Then we don't want the pattern background to be, we want it to be transparent as well. So you come to this one, QR code corners. So we have different colors. Do you want it to be circle? Do you want it to be square? Do you want it to be rounded corner? How do you want it to be? So we want it to be square. Like, you want it to have a sharp edge. You understand? So how do you want the QR code? Do you want it to be dots, or square? Just choose it, anyone you want. All these things are just for aesthetic purpose. They are just for aesthetic purpose. You select the color, then do you want to add a logo? For now, you're not adding a logo. So once you are done, you click on create. So it's going to create it. Yeah, so it's loading. So let's allow it to load. It doesn't take much time. So now your QR code is ready. So once it's ready, what are we going to do next? We'll click on download. So there are different formats to download it. You want to download as PNG, JPEG, SVG, PDF, and the rest of them. So we're going to use PNG. PNG will give us the back to make the background transparent. You understand? But if you use JPEG, it will come out with a white background. So use 512 by 512. We click on download. So it is downloading. It is downloading. Yeah. So this is it. So our QR code is now ready. Register here, blah blah blah. So now let's scan this QR code and see what it will give us. Let's scan the QR code and see what it will give us. Scan from photo. So click on open. So you can see that form you filled. So that is it. So this is a very simple way to create a QR code with just your smartphone. So you can even add it to your list of services, your brands, create QR code and blah blah blah. So that is a very good. I hope you learned something from this. So please do also like this video, subscribe, and share this video as well. Also do well to subscribe. Also do well to comment. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out, and I or any of my team member will respond to you immediately. So thank you for watching to this time. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much. My name is Weze Christian Sopruchukwu, and I'm rooting for you. Thank you.